like I'm trail riding today, but I'm actually on my way to a motocross track. It's kind of fun. It's like an adventure. You just explore through the woods a little bit, and then you stumble upon a motocross track. It'll be really cool. Woo! There's actually some nice like berms in here. Come up over this hill. All right, yup, all right, I did it. We found it. So this one, I believe it's called MX6. This track is like tucked away here in the woods. This is day 2 here at Durhamtown. Gonna go for the sight lap, see what this one's all about. Oh, this is like a really narrow track. I would consider this more of a trail so far, but it has a bunch of jumps and tabletops in it, like right here. Oh, Odie's sending him first lap. All right, these jumps actually look pretty fun. First lap sends, baby. When you ride your dirt bike several days in a row, I swear, woo, everything just feels so much easier and you feel so much confidence on the bike. This track has a decent amount of elevation change. This is pretty cool. I love the way this thing flows through the woods. All right, first OJ out of the way, because I'd rather jump it too far than too short. Nice and easy. Let's do it, Udi. Go for it. No problem. Got it. Woo! All right. The jumps here are very confidence inspiring. They float you up really nice, but don't shoot you too far, so the distance isn't too scary. Oh, dude, see, that's what I'm talking about. I barely used the throttle, and I was up in the air so high, landed so flat. When you're riding like 10 different motocross tracks over the span of a couple days, not always easy. It's not always easy to remember which one is which. The jumps like kind of all blend together at some point, you know? All right, let's go. Probably the biggest one here. Got it. Perfect. Dialed in. Dude, the downhill ones barely use any throttle. If there were some bigger berms that you could just lean into every single corner. Like this, if there were just big bank corners, woo! It's too dry to really lean into the corners very much. Woo! When you get on the brakes too hard, just dust Rudy out. That downhill one is so fun. Another big downhill. Woo! So much fun. Woo! That felt clean. Jumps, I'm assuming because they're so hard packed, have some gnarly kickers that are like solid as concrete. I'm gonna wait up here for Udi.
That's a fun track, bro.
It is. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just I let the dust settle.
Oh, okay. I just think it's cool that like you can explore through the woods for miles on trails and then just stumble upon a track.
Yeah.
This would be an ideal backyard setup.
Oh yeah.
You know?
I would love this in my backyard.
Although we would end up building the jumps way bigger.
Yeah.